Hello everyone, this is Mossy Mysterioso here, and welcome to a couple of cool math games. These are the what I call cat games. This first one's called Christmas Cat, and yeah, I know it's July, but it's just a game that's sort of in this little mini series. We have to find all the ornaments. Made by Bart Bonte or Bonte. It's a really cool developer. He's made a lot of really cool games. He's actually made a lot of cool math games, which were part of my childhood. So, yeah. Stand that up. Oh, excuse me. Now, 20 ornaments. That's one. I can also pick that up. And there's another one. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. This can go here. And I'm going to come back, and there's a key. If you couldn't tell, I played this game a lot as a kid. Gingerbread. Right, left, down. Oh, wait a minute. Gifts. Green gingerbread, blue candy. Oops, shoot. Out of 20 already. Oh, I need to take a picture of this with my phone and look at it there. Okay. There's left, right. Left, left, right, 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 left. There's a star. I guess I'm going to have to take a picture of this too. Alright. Up, right, left, left, up, down, up. Meow. And there's the kitten, the kitty cat. What's that? Okay, I'm gonna cut for a second and I will be right back for the other game that's cat involved. I'm back, and this next one is called Cat in Japan, and the kind of title screen is Japanese flag, the white background on the red in the middle. Another Bart Bonte. I still know how to say his last name. But he's I just said this, he's a really talented and really cool developer. Even though I don't know him personally, I've played a lot of his games growing up, and he is a really talented creator. And I really hope he's still creating games. I find 20 sushi pieces. 20 sushi pieces. Jeez. Okay. I love me some sushi. That is one of my favorite foods on earth. So with this. And that's that one. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I see. Hold on. Shoot, hold on. I need to take a picture of that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, the gong. Where's... Oh, it's outside, isn't it? The key. Where did the key go? Was it in here? No. Was it in there? No. Where did the key go? I forget where the key goes. Okay. This one then. So, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right. There's still another doll head missing. Shit. Oh, wait. Oh, it's this thing. What the hell am I thinking? Cheese, the last dollar, another piece of sushi. Sushi, Jesus. I don't know why I keep doing that. Oh, I'll come back to that. Actually, no, I won't. I'll do it in that. Still got the picture on my phone of that. Excuse me. This. Oops. That. Okay. I want to take a picture of this too. Okay. Oh, there's another piece of sushi. Sushi! Jesus, why do I keep doing that? X, and then this. Okay, and one more piece of sushi, which is in there, and that's it. Oh, nice. Just wait for me to do all the sushi. That's kind of Barbonte's kind of icon, so to speak. But anyway, that's the end of that video. Thank you all very much for watching. I really, really hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. Or if you found these games nostalgic, then leave a comment or subscribe and like, or do all three. Also, don't hesitate to leave a comment on just saying what you thought of the video, if you liked it or hated it. I don't care, as long as someone's commenting. It's nice to not, have emptiness in the comment sections. Also, please make sure to hit the little bell icon that is right next to the subscribe button so that you know when I upload a new video or make a new community post. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye.